if the number is divisible by 3, if train type equal to Rajdhani. These are simple single conditions. But what if we have more than one condition? Like, to get a job, you should have an age above 18 and score more than 60% in the exam. That is must. In this session, we will study how to use two or more conditions in a single statement. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. In this session, we will learn what is logical operators. Before proceeding further, let's discuss a small problem and then we will try to find the solution. Suppose a company wants to appoint an employee and they have two criteria for job application. First, the candidate age must be more than 18 and he must have secured at least 60% in his final exams. Here, we have to check two conditions, one for age and another for his score. Let's try to write a program for this. First, we will accept the name of candidate, then his age and then score. Please make sure you are converting age into int and score into float using an int and float type converter like this. First, we will check the age using the if statement with the condition age greater than equal to 18. In the else section, we will print sorry, you are not eligible. Now, here is a twist. Please focus. If the candidate age is above 18, then we will also have to check the score. To handle this, we will give an indent in the next line and add another if statement. And here we will write the condition if the score is greater than equal to 60. Due to this indent, the second condition comes inside the first if. Let's call it inner condition. Inside the inner condition, give an indent and print the message candidate is selected along with the candidate name. In the else part of inner condition, write sorry, you are not eligible. Let's execute the code. Enter the name as new term and age as 21 and score as 75. Well, the new term is selected. Rerun the program and enter the name new term, then age as 17 and score as 75. This time he is not selected because though the score is high, his age is less. Here our program is checking both the condition. If statement inside another if is called nested if. We will discuss nested if again in the later sessions. Here we just had two conditions. But when we have 4 or 5 requirements, it becomes complicated to use nested if and else. To take care of this, we have logical operators. Let's write the code. We will accept the name, age and score of the student as in our first program. Then we will write the if statement and the condition age greater than equal to 18. Then we will write and like this. And after that, we will write another condition, that is score greater than equal to 60. Then give an indent and print the message like this. We will also write the else part saying you are not eligible. Before we understand this, let's run the code. Enter the name as new term, age as 21 and score as 65. Well, you got selected. Again, enter the age as 17, score as 75. We got the output as not selected. Our program is working right. Let's understand what we have done. Here, we have used an AND logical operator to club two conditions. Python supports 3 logical operators, AND, OR and third is NOT operator. When we use an AND operator, all of the conditions output should be true. Just think of normal English, like we want a bat and ball. This means we want both the things. Like English, Python programming language understands and want both the conditions to be true. You will have a more clear understanding of logical operators in the next session. In the next session, we will explore more about logical operators and execute an example of OR and NOT operators. Till then, practice well. Thanks for watching it.